Welcome to Silicon Master Coworker, the perfect tool to manage field service workers. Does your company need to plan preventive or curative interventions with customers? Silicon Coworker is made for field operators, construction sites and other field service providers. During a call, the intervention is planned in Silicon Master, using a dispatching and ticketing system. Field operators receive their missions and all related documentation directly on their tablet. Technicians perform the repair and replace defect parts at customer sites. They register all their working hours and the parts used on a tablet. He can take pictures and provide a ready-to-sign service report to be signed by the customer. All data is synchronized with Silicon Master. The scheduled jobs and the diaries are updated. Invoices are generated and sent to customers. Silicon Coworker can be connected to other mobile apps, such as geocoding, IoT, document management and dedicated measurement systems.